video, I am going to Pushkar, the satellite township of Ajmer. Today is a Wednesday, 4 p.m., not much of traffic. Roads are good, maintained well. No potholes. It is a small old private bus with a capacity of 18 seats. But it is fully packed to 36 passengers now. Pushkar township is beyond those hills that you see ahead. Now this is where the facts begin. Enjoy the view. Talking about Pushkar, Pushkar is derived from the name lotus. According to the Indian scriptures from Padma and Purana, Pushkar is supposed to be the master and thus is called Guru, the master of all the holy places. Supposedly, Pushkar is the holiest of holies. It has a holy lake which is also called Pushkar. Pushkar means lotus flower, which is thought to be the most pious and holy of flowers. If you ever study the lotus flower, you will notice that it is born in muddy mud. It grows out of the mud which smells very unpleasant. But the lotus flower itself has a very pleasant scent. Thus, out of the mud comes the life of the flower which has no bad odor to it, no mud or dirtiness. So Pushkar means the lotus flower. But it also means holy waters, and in Pushkar is situated a beautiful valley. We have three things geographically. One side there is a large desert, on the other mountains and valleys, and in between there is a big lake. All year long you find water, and in the desert blooms the rose. Pushkar is the holiest of holies for Hindus. Apart from Hindus, it is a favorite destination for the traveling Jewish community. Chabad Pushkar is located on the main street, right next to the historic Gurudwara. You can get down at the main bus stop and ask any local for the Chabad House and they'll show you the direction. Chabad House in Pushkar provides all the facilities for the Israeli travelers and acts as a place to worship. It was established by Rabbi Shimshon and Zelda Goldstein from Israel with the aim of giving the young Jewish community visiting India a glimpse and teachings of Judaism. Chabad Pushkar is one of the very few Jewish places of worship in India. Apart from Delhi's Paharganj, McLeodganj and now shut down a branch of Goa, Pushkar's Chabad House is one of the well-maintained Jewish community centers in India. The Chabad also works as a correctional center for Israeli youth and a large crowd visits this place on a daily basis. Holi takes place in March and it is one of the most important festivals in the Hindu calendar. It represents the triumph of good over evil and the coming of springtime. Holi celebrations happen all over India and involve huge jubilant street parties. During Holi, bhang, ancient Indian cannabis edible, is served in Pushkar, which is known to have some of the best bhang in India. Pushkar fair continues for 5 days and these 5 days are a period of relaxation and merrymaking for the villagers. This fair time is the busiest time for them as this is one of the largest cattle fairs in the country. Animals, including over 50,000 camels, are brought from distant places around to be traded and sold. All the camels are washed and adorned, some are shorn to form artistic patterns. Some camels, horses, and cows are colorfully decorated. In addition to the animal trading market, Pushkar in parallel holds a festival of folk music and dances, Ferris wheels, magic shows, horse and camel races and various other traditional sports and team entertainment competitions. While the Pushkar fair is held around the Kartik Purnima that typically overlaps between late October and early November, other seasons feature other sports and festivals for pilgrims who visit the sacred lake.
गुरुद्वारा का स्टॉप कहाँ आएगा? गुरुद्वारा आगे लॉस्ट हो जाते हैं। हाँ